Value for Coney, excellent and friendly stuff. Lost my credit card and they found it for me. Whether you're a tourist or traveling on business, Hotel Premiere Classe Cholet is a great choice for accommodation when visiting Cholet. From here, guests can enjoy easy access to all that the lively city has to offer. With the city's main attractions such as Cholet Le Pontreau Airport, Musée d'Art d'Histoire, Le Sacre Coeur within close reach, visitors to the hotel will just love its location. First-rate hotel services and facilities that define the Louvre Hotel experience await you at the Hotel Premiere Classe Cholet. To name a few of the hotel's facilities, there are free Wi-Fi in all rooms, facilities for disabled guests, Wi-Fi in public areas, car park, restaurant. In addition, all guest rooms feature a variety of comforts. Many rooms even provide linens, towels, heating, satellite/cable TV, toiletries to please the most discerning guest. The hotel's recreational facilities, which include garden, are designed for escape and relaxation. Whatever your reason for visiting Cholet, the Hotel Premiere Classe Cholet is the perfect venue for an exhilarating and exciting breakaway.